looking to upgrade your outdoor living space, maybe your pool cage or your lanai? If you are, I think we have the answer. Let me show you. When this customer came to us, they had no lights back here. They had some old solar lights that weren't doing the job. So they upgraded to these LED, specifically made sconces for pool cages or lanais. They do lights up and down. You can change the color. They're dimmable, and they have an incredibly great warranty. On this property, we are doing 6, so we're doing 1 on each side over by the door to create some space as people are coming in and out of the cage, as well as we centered 4 here on the back behind the hot tub area, number 2, number 3, and lastly number 4. And one of the really cool features about these lights is that you can change the colors on the top and bottom. And you can also, if you're wanting some more privacy by the hot tub, for example, you can turn each light off individually and leave other ones lit as you desire. These lights are powered by a 150 watt transformer that we have mounted over here closest to one of the outlets on the exterior side of the house, so it's not visible. The best part is that beautiful sticker here. Give us a call if you want. But we've got a timer in here that's going to control when the lights are turned on and turned off based on what the customer wants. There's also an ability to override, turn the lights on. Right now, if we went into the cage, the lights would be turned on, and we can also turn them off. But if we want to go check them, which we're going to go do right now, we got the lights turned on, and let's go see. So the lights are on a warm white right now, but the nice thing about these, as I mentioned earlier, you can change them to red. You could do red and white for Christmas. You could do red and green for Christmas. No, the color doesn't ever really help in the daylight, but they look pink, but I promise you they're very red. You can change them to blue. They do multiple colors here on the remote. You're also able to dim them. You're also able to turn each one off individually if you want to turn the top or the bottom off. You turn them both off if you wanted. You can always just return back to white. Very good. Please subscribe and like today's video, and also leave us a comment for more things that you'd like to see.